Hi there, hello everyone. Today I'm going to present before you a very important economic indicator under fundamental analysis, average hourly earnings. So let's see what we have. So average hourly earnings actually measure the change in the price businesses pay for labor and not including the agriculture sector or farming sector. Okay. So AHE it is a leading indicator of consumer inflation. When businesses pay more for labor, the higher costs are usually passed on to the consumer. So remember, it is a leading indicator of consumer inflation, and the Federal Reserve actually takes into account average hourly earnings data to figure out where the economy is heading and whether they need to increase the interest rate or decrease the interest rate. Okay, and average hourly earning, it contributes to the gross domestic product and economic data. So if the economic output is high, so you will see AHE is also high, and if economic output is low, and you will see AHE is also low. Okay, what are the possible outcomes of average hourly earnings? So if the falling figures of AHE, then they could indicate weakening economy, and if there is a consistently strong data on AHE on a monthly basis, that could show strength in the economy. Okay, so when the data comes out in the market on a monthly basis, what happens? So if actual is greater than forecast, then it's good for currency. If actual is smaller than forecast, then it is bad for currency. And it is released monthly, usually on the first Friday after the month ends. And it is categorized as red news on forex calendar, meaning that it is very important for the forex traders to watch out this data and then tailor their trading strategy according to the figures released on average hourly earnings. And you can find the latest report about average hourly earnings on www.bls.gov if you want more information and you want to study in detail. Okay, so what happens when the data is out? So analysts forecast predicted figures ahead of the data announcement. So what could be the possible output? So it could be either above expectations or below expectations. So in either case, there could be positive or negative effect on US dollar or US dollar driven markets. So what are the possible outcomes on this output data? So either the data is better than expected, one scenario. So what will happen in that scenario? It means that it will be strong for the US dollar versus other currency. And if AHE data is lower than expected, then it will be a weak US dollar versus other currencies. And for the forex traders, they can actually tailor their strategy for CFD based on the numbers released by this average hourly earning data. Okay, so how to trade? What should be the possible trading strategies, and how to trade when the average hourly earning data is out there in the market on a monthly basis? So definitely you will see some volatility in the market. Prices will either move up or will move down based on what data figures come out. So as a result, either you can trade into profit or trade into losses. It all depends how you read that volatility or how you read that data figures of AHE. So it's very important for the traders to understand these data figures of AHE and closely look at volatility, and they need to tailor their strategy accordingly. Okay, when they do that, so either volatility can lead to profit or loss, so they can earn large short-term profits, or on the other hand, they can even have greater short-term losses as well. So in that case, you have to have your risk management strategy in place. So it's therefore very important to pay attention to your risk management approach. And when you do that, you must have your risk management action plan in place. So risk management enables you to close the position if that view proves to be incorrect. So if somehow your strategy or your analysis doesn't prove right or doesn't give you the required benefit as you had initially imagined, you have to have your action plan, risk management action plan in place so that you can get out of the trade and manage your losses. Okay, so guys, this was an overview of average hourly earnings, a very important economic indicator in fundamental analysis. I will stop here. I hope you like the video. I will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.